Money rules the world. Even money to get down some money. Money rules the world. This is not a joke.
What is your problem?
Money is the rules of forever.
That money is for all of us in this family.
A responsible and sensible Igbo man should know that women don't take part in sharing money recovered from lands.
That's a very big lie. The money belongs to all of us, so it must be shared accordingly. Why are you selfish?
How could he tell me that I don't have a right over my late husband's wealth?
A woman never takes part in his father's wealth. The money should be shared between the two brothers, and it's final.
Felix is actually getting mad, and I'm going to find an antidote for him.
Your plan is for that idiot to come and kill my husband, and for you to will everything to that useless son of yours.
If he tries me again, I will put him to a place he will never return again.
If I come back again for this money, the news you will hear will be bloody.
Money is the root of all evil. If we live in a
In the history of this family, I have not heard of anybody calling police for any other person in this family.
I am your mother. I carried you in this my womb for 9 good months. Oh, give it to Allah. What is it? Are you not tired of the trouble?
150 million for me. 150 million for you. That's final. All 5 are here. Share the money equal.
Stop pointing at that stupid work at me. You don't do that.
Shut up! Sound! He is ever ready to share the money. Bring the money and share it the way it's supposed to be shared. And peace will reign.
No, you think I'm here to play? I drive around all the time coming here for this same money. And I call them rubbish. One day, then my money now.
Tell your husband to desist from this act. Else, it will be dangerous for him. A woman does not have a right in her father's house. Go and get married. Then you will have a say. Don't come here and be talking nonsense like that way.
I am not going to sign anything. You can't come to my house forcing me to sign a check. A very local way you're pointing at me.